Big Birds by Lucille Penner, illustrated by Barnard. Big birds. Most birds are small, but some birds are really, really big. They are bigger than you. The biggest birds alive today are the ostrich, the emu, the cassowary, and the rhea. Can they fly? No. Big birds can't fly. They are too heavy, and their wings are not strong enough. Do they ever use their wings? Yes. Rheas spread them to shade their nests. Ostriches raise them to attract a mate. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Its neck is longer than a child. Its eyes are as big as tennis balls. Ostriches are fast. They run faster than people. An ostrich can even run faster than a horse. Ostriches can do tricks. They can herd sheep. Long ago, Egyptians trained them to pull carts. Little birds chirp, not big birds. They hiss, growl, and rumble. Emus make a noise that sounds like a drum. What pretty feathers! Rhea feathers are fluffy. Cassowary feathers are long and thin. People used to put ostrich feathers in their hats. Big birds swallow strange things. One ostrich swallowed an alarm clock. A rhea ate someone's money. Hey! Big birds fight with their feet. A cassowary has super sharp nails. They are sharp enough to kill a man. Wow! Big bird lays big eggs. A chicken egg makes a meal for one person, but an ostrich egg feeds lots of kids. Can you imagine a bird as heavy as a young elephant? The elephant bird weighed 1,000 pounds. Its eggs were bigger than basketballs. The moa was the tallest bird ever. It was as tall as 2 big men. Moas and elephant birds are extinct. That means there are no more of them alive. Who made these footprints? A big bird or a dinosaur? It's hard to tell. Bird and a dinosaur footprints look alike. Are birds related to dinosaurs? Many scientists think so. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye!